Ever thought about how some people make big money without following the traditional path of education and corporate jobs? Well, it turns out there's more than one way to earn millions. Imagine waking up in the morning, snapping a few photos and then going back to sleep, only to find yourself earning a fortune. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's the reality for some creators on OnlyFans. Take Blac Chyna, for example, who was pulling in an estimated $20 million per month at her peak. It's a platform where creators like her, Cardi B, and others have found a goldmine by sharing exclusive content with their fans. Today, we'll explore how OnlyFans became a lucrative platform for creators and how it's changing the way people earn money online. We'll see what makes OnlyFans different from YouTube and Snapchat and why so many creators are joining in. Let's find out how OnlyFans got to be so famous. From the early days of the internet to the present, one thing has remained constant: the desire for entertainment and connection. This led to the rise of something new: online strip clubs. Back before the internet, finding adult content was different. People mostly relied on magazines, DVDs, or visiting places like strip clubs. But when the internet came along, everything changed. Suddenly, there was a new way to share and access content, and it opened up a lot of opportunities. As the internet kept growing, platforms like YouTube and Snapchat became popular. They allowed people to share videos and photos with each other, but these platforms had rules about what kind of content was allowed. It wasn't easy for creators in the adult entertainment industry to make money on these platforms. Then, Snapchat introduced something called Snapcash. It was a feature that let users send money to each other. This was a big deal because it hinted at the idea of making money directly from social media. OnlyFans came onto the scene with a different idea. They created a platform where creators could share special, or let's say explicit, content with people who paid a subscription fee. This meant creators could make money from their fans directly without needing ads or sponsorships. By 2016, OnlyFans had a huge user base of 170 million and millions of pieces of content being uploaded every day. Despite the modest fee of $7.2, people flocked to OnlyFans to create and consume content. The internet changed how adult entertainment worked. Traditional strip clubs started to decline as more people turned to online platforms like OnlyFans. OnlyFans changed the game for adult content creators. It gave them a way to make money by sharing their content with their fans. This idea caught on fast, and soon creators from all over were joining OnlyFans to earn money from their work. OnlyFans has a simple way of making money. When creators earn, 80% of the money goes to them, and the remaining 20% is kept by OnlyFans. It's like sharing the pie. Most of it goes to the creators. People who want to see exclusive content on OnlyFans have to pay a subscription fee. This fee can be anywhere from $1 to $50 per month, and it's decided by the creator. So, if you want to see someone's special content, you pay them directly every month, but it's not just about making money. OnlyFans also helps creators by handling all the tricky stuff like payments and making sure the website runs smoothly. This way, creators can focus on making great content and fans can enjoy it without any hassle. This setup is different from platforms like YouTube and Snapchat. On those platforms, creators mostly make money from ads or brand deals. But on OnlyFans, they make money directly from their subscribers. It's like having a direct connection with your fans and getting paid for it. OnlyFans started getting popular because influencers on social media began talking about it. They shared their experiences and encouraged others to join. This word-of-mouth promotion helped OnlyFans grow quickly without needing much advertising. Many success stories started popping up, with creators talking about how much money they were making on OnlyFans. Some even showed off their fancy things like iPhones and big houses, which caught people's attention. Influencers talked about these success stories, making more people interested in joining OnlyFans. Some big names like Cardi B, Amanda Cerny, and DJ Khaled joined OnlyFans too. Seeing famous people join made others want to join as well. People thought, if they can make money on OnlyFans, maybe I can too. Another reason for OnlyFans' fast growth was the COVID-19 pandemic. Many people lost their jobs or were stuck at home looking for ways to earn money. OnlyFans became a way for them to make money from home, and many people jumped on the opportunity. Every big story has its ups and downs, and OnlyFans is no different. It's had its share of troubles and tough times. One of the biggest challenges was getting people with lots of money, called investors, to help the platform grow. They were nervous because OnlyFans was known for adult content, and that kind of stuff can be controversial. Despite being super popular, OnlyFans had a hard time finding these investors. They even thought about starting something like a sports league to get attention, but that didn't work out. The people with the money just weren't sure about putting it into OnlyFans. To address investors' concerns, OnlyFans made some changes. On 21st of August in 2021, they introduced new policies aimed at making the platform more appealing to investors. One of the changes was banning nudity and explicit content from October 2021 onward. This policy change was a big deal for OnlyFans and its creators. When OnlyFans announced the policy changes, there was a lot of backlash from creators and users. People were upset about the new rules and felt like OnlyFans was betraying its original purpose. Some creators worried about losing income, while others criticized OnlyFans for censoring their content. Creators and fans were upset because it felt like OnlyFans was turning its back on the very people who made the platform successful. But then something unexpected happened. OnlyFans listened to the outcry and reversed their decision on August 25th, 2021. Only 4 days later, they found a way to keep working with the banks and allowed the adult content to stay. This was a big win for inclusion and freedom of expression. It showed that OnlyFans was committed to providing a space for all creators, no matter what kind of content they wanted to share. It was a tough time for the platform, but they came through it by listening to their community and standing up for their values. We've covered a lot about OnlyFans from its start to where it's going. We saw how it became a place for all kinds of creators to share their work and make money. OnlyFans has shown us that with a good idea and a lot of hard work, you can create something huge. It's changed the way people think about making and enjoying content online. What do you think about OnlyFans and its story? Do you think it will keep growing, or is it just a trend that will fade away? Let us know in the comments below. And did you enjoy this video? Check out these other clips from Knowledge Matrix and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.